Double B News Patrol. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Bareilly. We are now airing live at Bareilly of Cebu. I am Shanley Aizel Bernal, your reporter of the day. For the headlines, Philippine VP Sara Duterte travels to Hauge to help his father at ICC. 749 million shabu discovered inside Balikbayan boxes at Manila Port. Israel-Iran conflict, India decides to evacuate its national from Israel. Robbie Domingo reflects on hosting PBB Celebrity Collab. It was a celebration of dreams unity. Gilas women and Jones Cup campaign at 5th place after loss to Taipei. Philippine VP Sara Duterte travels to Hauge to help his father at ICC. Let's have Lawrence Escuzar for more details.
Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte, the daughter of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, is on her way to the Netherlands to help her father after he was arrested in Manila on a warrant by the International Criminal Court. ICC informed to the Hauge Rodrigo Duterte, who served as president from 2016 to 2022, was placed on a plane on Tuesday just hours after his arrest at Manila Airport over alleged crimes against humanity stemming from a crackdown on drugs that killed thousands of people during his President Duterte 79 could now become the first Asian former head of state to go on trial at the ICC. I am Lawrence Escuzar, your local news reporter.
Okay, thank you, Lawrence. Next, 749 million shabu discovered inside Balikbayan box at Manila Port. Let's have Mark Brown for more details.
Kilogram of shabu discovered inside 4 Balikbayan boxes in Manila International Container Port in Tondo, Manila on Monday, July 7, 2025. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency said the shipment came from California and were addressed to recipients in Mandaluyong and Quezon City. I'm Mark Brown, your national reporter.
Well, thank you, Brian, for the news. Now let's have India-Israel-Iran conflict. India decides to evacuate its national from Israel. Let's have Althea Alga for more details.
Israel-Iran conflicts. India to help citizens who wish to leave Israel via land border. This is an expansion of Operation Shunwa launched on June 18 to evacuate nearly 10,000 Indians from Iran. India's request to register with embassy intent. ABRB will be evacuated out through land borders. Althea Alga, your international news reporter.
For our weather today, let's have Sile Optima for more details.
I'm Sile. Welcome to the weather forecast. Now, let's see what the weather is like today. In the north of the country, it's very windy and cold. There is a chance of some rain too, so don't leave without umbrella. The temperature is around 10 degrees centigrade. In the east, it's raining all day today. I'm afraid there may be a thunderstorm in the afternoon. The temperature is a bit higher at around 13 degrees. In the west middle of the country, the weather is dry but cloudy, so no more rain for you, but it is quite windy and temperature is just 10 degrees. South of the country has the best weather today. It's cloudy most of the time but sunny those afternoon. The temperature is around 15 degrees. I'm Salary Tina, and that's your weather forecast today.
Robbie Domingo reflects on hosting PBB Celebrity Collab. It was a celebration of dreams unity. Let's have Justin for more details. Justin?
And high-rating finale of Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition but weekend. Sa pamilya, host Ruby Domingo shared his reflection on working with the
shows them, fellow host and hostmate in a heartfelt social media post. Ruby shared snapshot from the finale and emphasized the strong hand he formed with the kapamilya ni Kuya. He expressed gratitude to everyone involved in making the 2019 season of Pinoy Big Brother a success.
Thank you for that details, Justin. Gilas Women and Jones Cup campaign at 5th place after loss to Taipei. Let's have Mary Isabel for more details.
The Gilas Filipinas women's basketball team has ended its 2025 William Jones Cup campaign in 5th place. The Nationals placed second to last in 16 fields after the second ball to Chinese Taipei, 76-57 on Sunday at the Taipei Helping Basketball Gymnasium. The Philippines only had a win in their 5 assignments, and this overshadowed the stellar performance of Vanessa de Jesus. 36 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Jack Aneman finished with 7 markers and 11 boards. Marker with 6 rebounds and 3 assists. Unfortunately, Gilas were short of sustaining their momentum in the second inning. This is Marisa Val, your sports reporter.
So that would be our news for today. Thank you for watching. This is TV Double B News Patrol.